Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to transfer Porkbun domain to Google Domains. So step number 1, locate your domain by navigating to the domain management page. Click on the green lock icon to the right of your domain name. You will see a loading icon. After a moment, the icon should change to gray, which means unlocked status. Grab the authorization code, also called as the EPP key, to provide to your new registrar. From Domain Management, click the Details drop-down list and select Get Authorization Code. A window will pop up with your key listed under Authorization Code. Now in another tab or window, connect your new register and begin the process of transferring your domain. When asked for your authorization code, copy and paste the code you retrieved in the previous step. Once the transfer is confirmed at the new register, it will take about 5 days later, and you can accelerate this process once the transfer is confirmed at the new register by returning to the register transfer area and click Approve Transfer Out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.